In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create screen printing designs in Canva. If you're designing artwork for custom t-shirts, promotional apparel, or limited edition merchandise, one of the biggest challenges is making sure your design is actually suitable for screen printing. A design might look great on your screen, but if it isn't built properly, it can become blurry, difficult to separate by color, or unusable for printing. The good news is that Canva gives you enough control to build clean, simple, print-ready designs without needing complicated professional illustration software. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to set up your workspace correctly, keep your layout organized, simplify your colors, and export a file that's much better suited for production. To begin, open Canva from the homepage and create a new design using custom dimensions. This part matters because screen printing is tied to real physical size, not just screen pixels. Click. Create a design, then choose custom size. Change the unit from pixels to inches and enter the actual dimensions you want for your design. For example, you can set the width to 12 inches and the height to 12 inches if you want a square print area. Then create the new design to open your workspace. Starting with real-world measurements helps preserve sharpness and keeps your layout accurate for print. Once the blank canvas opens, turn on the tools that help with spacing and alignment. Go to the File menu, open View Settings, and enable both rulers and guides, as well as margins. This gives you a clear visual boundary around your design area, so you can avoid placing important elements too close to the edge. For screen printing, clean alignment and safe spacing make a big difference, especially when the design is transferred to a physical garment. Next, start adding your artwork. Open the Elements panel on the left, use the search bar, and look for flat vector-style graphics. You want clean, solid shapes rather than photographs, soft shadows or detailed gradients because those are much harder to reproduce in screen printing. After searching, switch to the graphics results. Choose a design that fits your concept and drag it into the center of the canvas. Keeping your artwork bold and simple will usually give you the best print result. After that, review the colors in your design carefully. In screen printing, each separate color usually means a separate screen, so fewer colors generally means a simpler and more cost-effective production process. Click your graphic or text, open the color controls, and reduce your palette to 1, 2, or 3 solid colors if possible. If you add text from the text panel, make sure the text colors match the same limited palette and keep the wording short enough to stay readable. Finally, do one last review of the full composition. Check that everything is balanced, aligned, and safely inside the margin guides. Then click Share, choose Download, and change the file type to PDF print. This helps preserve your design dimensions and keeps the output cleaner for print use. Once that's done, download the file and save your master copy. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.